Nuform is working very closely with companies on their most innovative activities, and the best way I would describe our work is that we act as the extended workbench of development. We offer a complete portfolio of services from consulting, engineering to production to meet the demand for very specific and uncompromised solutions. The customer gets all the benefits of 3D printing without having to deal with it him or herself, and will give ideas a chance that previously seemed to be too risky. Regarding the collaboration between Nuform and Raffinex, for me what was striking at the beginning was that Raffinex was having a clear and uncompromised focus on getting robust design quickly into the engineering process and using minimal available design requirements information. And it impressed me how relentless and convinced Raffinex pursues this mission to create robust design in a commercially available turnaround time. With this we can expect to systematically lightweight entire assemblies and achieve sustainability impact at scale. One of our customers, Mr. Ellenberger, specializes in tooling for automation and was specifically looking for ways to optimize the performance and reliability of his sophisticated moving hardware. Now, the lightweighting of accelerated machine components would allow increased speed, reduce cycle time, and boost the overall productivity. In addition, the reduced mass directly results in improved positioning accuracy, less energy consumption, and more sustainable production overall. Mr. Ellenberger asked us to find alternative, less expensive solutions for his specialized application, not only for performance or weight targets, but also for assessing new replacement parts strategies.
So the gripper needed to be more robust than the standard one. It needed to be not so heavy, less weight, and it needed to be built up very fast. So the good thing for us is then, in fact, we do not have to use a bigger robot because we have a lighter gripper.
Nuform and Raffinex wanted to give evidence that even devices exposed to such extreme structural loadings and strongly varying conditions can be optimized effectively. We also saw a swift and conclusive project with the team of Raffinex. We went in fast iterations, which were supported by the software as a service solution of Möbius. Computational times were reduced, data sharing was simple, and we came up with a superior design in less than 2 weeks. As a result, we were able to reduce the gripper's weight by 51% and even compensated the deformation under load. So in use, the gripper will be perfectly straight. And also, before going into prototyping, Raffinex team validated the results numerically with Möbius. That was the single confirmation that we needed, together with the direct mesh output of Möbius, to print the part directly on SLM hardware. After some limited post-processing, Mr. Ellenberger has then received the part for use in production.
So when the final gripper was delivered to us and we opened the package, it was like Christmas. So we were very nervous and to see what's the final result. And when we opened it, we saw it looks bionic, not like metal we expected. And after using the gripper, we see that it was functional. So we have to find a new thinking of what we expect after construction with this software and this method to build up a new design of a gripper.